Hello Capricorn, it's time for your weekly reading. This is Postar. Pasensya na kayo sa akong background, kaya na noise. Alright? Now, ganahan mo ko buhat og tarot reading for you Capricorn because it's been a long time nga wala jud ko ka film o sa akong mga kanang Bisaya para sa inyong, weekly tarot kung unsa may tubo sa inyong life karon nga week and next week. Tapos, this could also be in the entire month of May. Now, this is for Capricorn. Tanaw nato kung unsay, kumusta ilang love life, kumusta ang inyong career karon or money, finances, or kung unsa man ang general nga isulti sa universe. What the universe would have to say to you, right? Oh, daghan daghan ka exulting universe. Right, you have the Two of Swords, Page of Swords in reverse, naapod kay Knight of Swords, and then the Seven of Pentacles, and also Eight of Swords. Alright. Now, there could be decisions here. You're thinking a lot of things. Dagan kay kagihuna-huna. Okay, Two of Swords. This is decisions. Okay, decisions nga gusto nimo buhaton. Okay, Page of Swords, unsa man na kay nakita karon. Maybe this week or last week na kay nakita. It's a news. A news na not a good news kay, Eight of Cups plus Two of Swords. It's a news nga gusto nimo mo take action. Okay? Not in a defensive way. Could be nga medyo nasuko ka kay basin dili ni tinuod. Okay, dili ni tinuod. Layo ra sa tinuod. And wala man pod moingon nga naapektuhan ka personally, alright? Pero di lang kaganahan nga makadungog kag storya nga dili mao, alright? Now, let's see what else. When it comes to mga relationships, love relationships, murag layo naman kayo. Wala mong kagaw na og relationships karon Capricorn. Okay, gusto ka mag-focus sa imong kwarta. Okay, money, finances. Muna siyang gusto nimo i-focus. You have Knight of Wands and Six of Wands. Right? Okay. Tanaw na to. Okay. Kay sugod sa karon nga semana, I feel like last week pa ni siya or 2 weeks ago, na conflict between your mind and your heart because you want to kunang magsugod og something that you want to do for yourself, okay? Could be money related here because you have the Eight of Pentacles in reverse, meaning wala pa kay napundar, wala pa kay nasugdan, could be negosyo, or wala pa kay nasugdan when it comes to your imong job, okay? Pero kabalo man kaunsa ang pagbuhat. Okay? You know how to find a way. Kaso, nag-conflict lang between your heart and your mind kung maubagid ni ang imong buhaton. Okay, if this is a love relationship, sige, ipugos na to. Pero wala man ko kakita og love relationships for this reading, okay? This is starting anew, okay? Leaving the past behind and starting anew, all over again. Okay, wala man ka mag-ingon nga nagdali-dali ka when it comes to love, finding love, nagdali-dali ka, wala. You want to take it slow, man po. Okay, because this is Eight of Cups. Pwede man good ni siya nga, well, in the past, naman good ni siya past. In the past na ni siya mga kayugot, past heartaches. Pero those, for some of you, this could be nga, nagpamatuod lang nga, you want something new. You want to move on. Okay? You want to start a new beginning. And most likely, Makakita ka ani when you relax, when you stay focused, di lang ka magdali-dali. Probably if you take a vacation, di ka makakitag interest. Someone nga mainteresado sa imo, right? Pero dili mag-ingon nga mopilit ni siya or interesado gyud. Kaning na kay ma-interesan pero dili mapadulong sa relationships, alright? The cards are saying that you have to relax, okay? You have to relax, take a vacation, or kung dili manggaling, spend time with your friends or your family. Because, sa sige kung nabuhi nimo, could be nga they are reaching out to you, maingon nga, huy, patali sa time, okay? Paglingaw-lingaw po na din ha, dili po pwede na sige lang kag paningkamot, okay? Find time for na mag-relax at mag-enjoy. Kasi maragani ka siguro sa inyong balay. You have the 5 of Pentacles. Siguro, some of you are married. Some of you are na problema sa balay. Okay? Could be financially, but these are relationships, manggod. Could be relationship with your daughter, with your son, with your siblings. Mostly relationships sa bana asawa. Okay? Yes. So, kung nagsugod na ni siya nga na may conflict sa imong asawa or imong bana, why don't you spend time? Okay? Offer a cup of love. Yes. Pwede maging protective financially. Financially na may saktong kwarta, igong ipon. Pero do not, ayaw sa pod nga magsigira kag ipon. Gasto pod gamay para sa imong family. Buy ice cream. Pag-load din ha, para maka-TikTok mo. And spend time. Okay? If single pa ka, spend time with your family or with your loved ones. Alright? Kabaluman ka, 8 of Swords, kahibalo ka unsaon pag solve sa imong situation. Kung nag-overthinking ka, sigira kagahon-ahon ng problema or sigira kagahon-ahon ng ideas, projects, paron para sa imong trabaho. Nahimo na hinuon na nimo og pain. Okay? These are indecisions that you have in life. Maingon ang ubang tao, unsa man pud imong desisyon, unsa na gyud imong desisyon. Yes or no, dili pwede or. Okay? This is urging you to, stay grounded. Okay? Be confident with yourself. 9 of Wands. There is passion here, na I interest, na I love of the self, na I love for someone, pero di man ka mo accept. Accept in yourself and do not deny. Okay? Saan man pagduol sa uban, kung sige ra kag deny. Okay? Do not deny the happiness. Okay? Smile. Be approachable. Ay pakig-away. 6 of Pentacles, dili ka gusto nga gamay ra ang attention nga mahatag sa imo. Dili ka gusto nga gamay ra ang kwarta nga mahatag sa imo because you feel like you deserve it. Right? Deserve mo pud nimo, pero repo pag inextricta. Okay, Capricorn. There is a tower moment here, basin na ay mga kakulian aberya sa kinabuhi this May. I feel like dili na siya maabot karon nga week, pero karon nga May, ayaw ka surprise if siguro sa imong palibot na kay mahibawan nga unfortunate events, messages nga imong madawat or mga panghitabo sa imong family, sa imong relatives, neighbors karon that could cause you heartache. Right? Kung unsa may imong mga plano, sugdi na karon because it's the right time to do business, to find a job, or to rekindle a love relationship kung na kay gusto mga balikan. Send a message, okay? Do not spy. Ay, pagsigigtan na social media lang. Send a message, right? I-let go, before ka mag-let go, paminawa sa ang side sa uban. Alright? Money-wise, wala pa moabot sa imuha. Pero kamao ka mo, tigo mo kwarta. Okay. Tanaw na to. Kanay maabot na money karon. Kami na maguna ko wala. Dili man gud mo gawas ang kwarta kundi ka man kamot, hindi ka magsugod. Dapat mag-invest ka kaya wala pa ko kakitag money din. Although it's a positive sign kung mag-business ka or mangita kag work. This is urging you, the magician. You have all the tools, skills, expertise, kay intelligence right here, naaman, smart, and it's urging you to start. Alright? Now let's clarify. Ang reason nga wala kay love life karon, kay dili ka gusto nga gamay rang attention nga mahatag sa imong loved one. Right? Mao na nga dili pod ka mo express of love for the meantime. Alright? Pero nag-urge ang universe na you have to go back sa imong loved ones. Okay? Kung deny ka sa iyaha or wala ka mo pansin sa iyaha, wala ka mo message, wala ka mo call, wala ka magtagad-tagad niya. Even if this is just a friend, okay? Kung nakigili ka yan nga friends here, it's time to go back, rekindle. Okay? Kaya kung imong pasagdan ni mag-tower moment yet,